Hello friends, today I am going to explain another isometric problem which is in the 22nd in your solution book. A frustum of a cone, base diameter 50 mm, top diameter 25 mm and height 50 mm is placed centrally on a cylindrical slab of diameter 100 mm and thickness 30 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. So this is the front and top view of combination of solids. If you see from the top, so all the planes are look like a circular, and if you see from the front, it is look like a rectangle and another one look like a frustum. So frustum means a cone is cut at an height of 50 mm. If you cut the cone, it is become an frustum. So in the frustum, it is having two similar faces but with a different dimensions. Okay. So frustum of cone is placed centrally on the cylinder. So this is a cylinder of 100 mm, thickness 30 mm. On above cylinder, the frustum of cone is placed with a top face of 25 mm and bottom face of 50 mm, and the height is 50 mm. So now open the solid edge ST5 and set all the sheet setup. Go to sketching, draw a line with a thin line. So you have to construct the box. With the help of that box, you have to construct a ellipse first, because the cylinder having two similar faces, top and bottom, both are ellipse. So it is an 100 mm, so that you have to construct 100 mm box. The length is 100 mm and the angle is 30. Similarly, at the other end, 100 mm, angle here also same thing 30, but if you consider from this side, it is become 150, because 180 minus 30, it is equal to 150, so that you have to give 150 angle. Next, again length is 100, which is parallel to this side. See, it is a parallel. Finally, join. And construction of ellipse is first step. You have to draw the diagonal, and from this end you have to join the mid of that line. Same thing, and from this point middle, and from this point again it is middle. Okay, so that you will get a 4 center points: O1, O2, O3, O4. So now go to arc by center point. First center point is O1 from here. So this is the arc starting point. Increase the thickness, starting point from here to here, end point. Similarly, this is the center point, starting point of arc, end point of arc. Similarly, this is the center point, starting point of arc, and end point. And finally, fourth one is center point, starting point, and end point. So first we construct bottom face of cylinder, and it is of height 30 mm. So that first you have to place the center. So from here 30 mm. So this is the center. Okay, so thickness is 30, type 30 and place. So next is you have to copy and take the center and you have to place exactly on the 30 mm line which is just previously constructed. Place here. And also in the side you just keep one more copy. So next is you just join the two faces so that it will become cylinder. So here you just remove the hidden edges with the help of trim so that it will avoid the confusions. See, I just remove everything. Okay, so now it is clear. Now it is cylinder. Here also same thing, construct center, okay. So next is after cylinder you have to go for frustum of cone. So first you have to construct the same thing, a bottom face of 50 mm and second you have to construct 25 mm at a height of 50 mm. So we already constructed one ellipse. So you just reduce this dimension. It is of 100 mm. So we need a 50 mm so that we have to scale that. Go to first select, then go to scale, and here in the scale you just type, actually it's of dimension 50 and previously it was 100, so 50 by 100, you have to type 50 by 100, then enter. See, it reduces to 50. Okay, and move option exactly on the center, take and placed. Okay, next we need a one more thing, one more ellipse, but it is in a height of 50 mm. So that first draw a one vertical line of length 50, okay, place here. So next again you have to reduce this one, go to scale, select this and give here, it is, we want 25 mm but it is 50 mm, so 25 divided by 50, see it reduces to 25 mm. So take this, select, move option, exactly middle and place it on 50 mm height. And finally join those two faces, this face join to this face, similarly this face exactly you have to join, so this face join to this face. Okay, so now it is cylinder. On the cylinder there is a frustum of cone, exactly the same center of cylinder. So now remove hidden edges. You have to remove the hidden edges, it's very important. See, now it is exactly the combination of solid. First there is a cylinder, on the cylinder there is a frustum of cone. And final step is you have to convert entire this drawing into isometric. That is by, with the help of scale option, select, go to scale and 0.816 and placed it on the same line. See, now it has become a isometric view of cylinder, on the cylinder frustum of cone. The thick lines are visible edges. If you want, you can remove these construction lines also, no problem. See, this is a final view of combination of solids. Thank you.